Hi everybody, good morning. Today is day 5 out of week 3, so we are over halfway done, and it is Friday. I'm very proud of you guys. You've worked really hard this week. I think almost everyone has everything turned in already, and today's Friday, which is kind of an easy day. I'm very proud of you. I wanted to tell you that I am going to do a Zoom meeting today at 10, so if you can join us, that is great. Next week, I'll try to be better about having a scheduled one a little earlier, but I know we didn't have one, and I know some of you wanted one, so I'm going to do one at 10. When you get your email, it'll have all the information in it, okay? So that's our first reminder, is that we're having a Zoom meeting. Our next thing is reading. Of course, it's Friday. We are taking our AR test over Happy Birthday, Mr. King. The AR test is 46141. Now, I know a couple of you had a few issues with the AR last week, so we'll hopefully be able to get it again today. We'll be able to do it. If we can't, I can send you a paper copy, but I'm going to send you the link, a different link for a couple of you, and then hopefully that'll work and you can get on that AR and take that quiz for me today, okay? So AR quiz is your first thing, boom. Now, if you don't have that story read twice, make sure you read it again so that you know you're going to do a good job. Now, language arts today, our writing, grammar, word work, is of course writing about the story. Now, in the email that you're going to get, it has the written response. You have to think about why Mr. King's birthday was so special and write about it. Please read all of it. I'll put it in the email for you, and you need to read all of that. Now, when you respond to that, of course you can write it on paper extremely neatly and snapshot a picture and send it to me, or you could just write it in an email and send it to me. You don't even have to write it in my email. You can start a new email and answer the question, and then when you get it all done, send it to me. Write in the email. That might be the easiest, but if you want to do it in the Notes app or the Show Me app and take a picture, that's great. And actually in the Notes app, I think you can send it directly to my email with the little arrow up at the top. But make sure that I can read it, and make sure that it's long enough too. Not just a sentence, but that it really explains why you think his birthday was special, and one reason and another reason, and then sum it all up. And you guys are doing great at that. Then the last thing is math, which is pretty easy today. If you have everything else done, kind of a little breather. But I have an IXL that I need you to do for a grade. Hopefully won't take very long, and then you can just spend some time practicing your facts. I haven't really said a lot about that this week, but remember, every day practicing those facts just for 5 minutes is going to help them stick in your brain so you remember them, because you got to know them for 4th grade too. And then another reminder here that we're going to have a Zoom meeting. I'm really proud of you guys. Like I said, we are almost done. We only have 2 weeks left. Next week, 4 days. Then the next week, 4 days, and we're done with our e-learning. You guys have worked hard. I know it's been a lot to get used to, but you've done a great job. We're done with week 3 after today. Let's see if we can get all this done and get it sent in, and then you don't have anything to worry about for the rest of today, for Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, because Monday is my work day. I have to go to the school and work, so you don't have to do any of the e-learning unless you have makeup or catch-up work to do, okay? So if you have any questions, don't forget to let me know. And of course, we're going to have a Zoom at 10, so I will see all you guys in just a few hours. Good job, guys. Thank you so much.